Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use active hours on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So what are active hours? Now you know this that Windows updates can be very irritating, especially if they occur between work, and they may also force you to reboot your system, especially if it's a cumulative update. So what can you do in this case? I mean, you cannot defer Windows updates forever. That option is gone. You can, we have tried doing that, it doesn't work. Microsoft has removed that option. You can pause it for up to 5 weeks, but eventually, after 5 weeks, you will have to update your system. So, here's the concept, and I'll explain how to do it and then what it is all about. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, select Windows Update, then go to Advanced Options, and here we have an option for active hours. Change it to automatically or just change it to manually. Now I'll explain what this means. So active hours means that your system will not restart your device during these hours even if an update has been completed, but this does not mean that the update itself will be deferred. Okay, you can pause updates, but you cannot defer these updates. They will happen whenever they will happen, but it will not restart your computer because a restart is always needed to install these updates. Now they have this automatic setting here, like in my case it is set from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, but every person does not work at this point at this time frame. So if you wish to set it manually, you can set it manually. I can change it from 6 a.m. to, let's say, 9 p.m, and then click on the tick mark and it will set it accordingly, but I cannot expand it more than 18 hours. Okay, I still have to give 6 inactive hours to it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.